In the previous video, we did a test print of a transparent legend. In the past, I would add ink and it wasn't transparent, but I'm trying to achieve the transparent look of this Logitech keycap, for example. Now, this was promising, but the sidewalls were a bit rough, and I think that's because we tested on the worst keycap profile ever, in the sense that these are very high vertical sidewalls, like these profile. However, if we print on low profile keycaps, and especially ones that have flared sidewalls like these ones, or just the Logitech keyboard, I think we'll have better odds. So I loaded up some Logitech keycaps into this jig. We'll put it into the machine and we will do another test print and see how it comes out on this lower profile.